Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll share with you a quick update on the Billions Airdrop. If you're already working on this airdrop, this video is very important for you. If you visit their X account and scroll down, you can see they recently launched their mobile app for Android and iOS users. Now you need to verify your identity, which is another important eligibility criterion for their airdrop. Let's see how you verify their airdrop. Open your App Store or Play Store and in the search bar, type Billions. This is the app you need to download. Install the app. After that, open the app. Here you need to sign in using the same email address to log into your account. After logging in, click on the verify option and scroll down. As you can see, there are two different verification options. The first one requires you to prove that you are human, and the second one is to verify your identity. Click on the first one. Then click on Start Now. Then click Next. It will redirect to your phone's camera, so take a picture of yourself. After that, wait a bit for verification, then click Continue. As you can see, verification is complete and your identity is verified now. Now to complete the second one, click on Verify, then Continue. Then select your country and click Continue, then click on Open Camera. Here you need to verify using your passport. After completing the verification, you can go back and claim 2000 points. That's it for this video. For all the crypto and airdrop updates, you can join our Telegram channel. I'll provide the link in the description, so check it out. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Goodbye.